guys, it's your girl We're Secrets coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell another friend, tell your mama and them, because we lady over here. Without further ado, y'all got some stuff from Temu. Can't show the packaging because they got my address like all over on both sides. So I'm going to cut the stuff. You can hear me cutting it off camera. And then we'll just go from there. So yeah, I just been buying stuff off of Temu. A lot of like clothing stuff. Because their clothing stuff be cheap on there. I had got this bag for free playing a game of theirs. Let me see, hopefully y'all could, okay. I got this for free. It's a Karami, little carrier bag thingy thing. I thought it was cute. It was free. I ain't have to pay for it. I was playing that fish game, if you're familiar with the games on there, because I think they got a farming game where you farm, and then the fish game where you feed the fish and stuff like that. So I got this. It's a cute little bag, nothing major. What we got next? Okay, this one. Got my address on the, I can't even see. Okay. You know, they stuff be dirt cheap on there. I don't know why that's a shoelace on there. Y'all, they sell gigapets on there, so if you're interested in getting the gigapets, I want to say this was under $5. I want to say it was like $1 or $2. So yeah, it don't say Tamagotchi, but it's a gigapet. And I thought this was so cute. Definitely bringing back the nostalgic era and stuff like that. I got me and my Nana some more compression gloves. Well, I got her 2 pairs because the ones I got her before was too big. So I got me an extra large and her a large because her hands is like small. She got small hands. What's this? This is just a heart bracelet of the one I already got. I know, I take that back. It's a heart thing for your glasses. When you want to wear your glasses. Because y'all, like when I do wear my glasses out and my glasses get foggy, I had to take my glasses off, put them in my pocket. Like I don't be trying to scratch my glasses because, baby, my insurance didn't cover all of it and I had to pay a portion. So I figure I can get these, you know, wear this when I'm outside. And, you know, hang my glasses around my neck. And I don't usually see younger people wearing these on their glasses, but I don't care. Because I usually see older people, like my Nana, she wears that. I don't care. Child, as much expensive these glasses be. And then I got another one. And plus, I need to start wearing my glasses more during like the day and stuff, especially like when I'm at work, because I be being lazy, y'all. I don't be feeling like cleaning off the lens and all that. I don't know if y'all can see me, and I got another one. It's cute. When I seen this, it reminded me of Beetlejuice. Let me bring this down some, because for some reason it's getting blurry. Okay, so yeah, another one that you put on your glasses. Thought that was cute. This is just something to put on my purse. Y'all know I'm obsessed with this rainbow sunflower. Y'all know I'm stuck in the 90s. Even though I was born in the 90s, you would have thought that I was partying in the 90s, where I like my MCM and excuse me, stuff like that. Y'all, I seen the speaker for the phone. I had to get it. I just had to. I thought it was so cute. And you can't dial on it, but you can actually like listen to music on here, answer your calls. I don't know. Yeah, answer your calls and your calls, turn it or pause and play. You can charge it, or you can put, I think, a memory card. And y'all remember back in the day, if you ever seen, like, I think in New Jack City, He had a big phone like this, and it's like it's a speaker. This is where the sound come out of, up here too. And yeah, I just thought this was so cute just to have. And it's a portable connected speaker, and you can actually put this little lanyard thing on here. This is like a shoelace though. I'm like, okay. But yeah, I thought that was cute. If you was born in the 90s, then your parents probably had those type of phones and stuff like that. Let's see. I had ordered a sweater. I think I showed y'all the sweater in the last video. This one I ordered some pajamas, some compression socks, okay, that's all in there. So y'all see the Kuromi keychain for my purse. Compression socks for, I got one, or no, I got two for me, and I got one for my mom. Hey mom, this one for you. Mama Rare said, what's up? She said, what it is. What's up? What's up? Oh, I was about to put this up and I'll show y'all. This is supposed to be an insert holder. I didn't know it was this small, but you put your insert in there and it sticks up. I thought it was cute. Y'all, I got this beanie because it looked like a, the way I be talking to you would think that I did not graduate from high school, college, and on my second degree. I'm so sorry. It looks like a Gucci dupe beanie. I thought it was real cute, so I got this. Because I actually got a headband that looked like this, but I figured why not just get a beanie, like when I'm outside and just want to throw something on my head. And it has a fleece inside, and I like how it's black, so if I do have product in my hair, you can't see, like, it's staining the inside, so I thought that was cute. So I gotta wash that. I had got a sweater that was kind of similar in colors to this. And I thought this was so cute. I be seeing everybody wear them beanies and stuff, but I just thought this was like real cute, and it's stretched because y'all know I got a big old head. And it's just so cute. Yeah, and this was like $4. And the Gucci one was like $4 something too. You know, sometimes they jewelry be a hit or miss because sometimes like their rings won't look like how it was advertised. Like just looking at this heart ring, it kind of sort of look like how it look. Excuse my ashiness. I don't think it's gone. Ooh, my neighbor's dog is barking again. Child. And then it's another ring. It looks cheesy. Just a regular ring. And then I got me these cute pajamas. I want to say they was on sale. I forgot how much they were, but they were the cheaper. This color was the cheapest one. And I thought it was just cute. It's just a tank top in this color, and like some flare pants. They kind of flare at the bottom, kind of, sort of. Yeah, they flare. Oh yeah, they flare. This is the bottom of the pants. So just cute pajamas, just to wear, you know, just to lounge around in. I'm big. I'm big on wearing pajamas and loungewear, whether it's a nightgown, the boxer sets, or just. Did I say a nightgown? A nightgown, boxer sets, or onesies. Very comfortable to wear when you're just lounging around and don't want to do too much. So definitely going there for pajamas. Cheaper pajamas. This got my address on both sides. Okay, so these are just jogging suits. Is this, or which one? Okay, so I got this shirt. I thought it was cute. It's a long sleeve shirt. It got Susie Carmichael, number, I forgot which number is that, from Kids Next Door, Penny Proud, and the girl from the Magic School Bus. It's just a long sleeve black shirt. It's not cotton material, it's like that spandex material. So yeah, I thought this was cute. I got this in the largest size, which is a 5X, because I am top heavy. So yeah. What else? I could have swore I had another shirt. Where's that shirt is gone? I don't know. I don't think that shirt came in it, but this one is just it say King on here. This is not the men's department. It's just a jogging suit. Yeah, it looks like it's kind of made out of the same spandex material, lightweight. But I got it in a big size because I'm top heavy and bottom heavy. So yeah, I'm not gonna take it out because it's white, and I don't want to get this white dirty. But I'm gonna have to wash this. And that's all, y'all. Oh wait, no, I lied. It was one more package. I'm like, I know I'm not tripping. Well, no, that is all. I don't know, I wasn't tripping. I guess that is all, y'all. Well, yeah, that's all for right now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.